up, you guys? It's Brandi. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I just gotta say, I just came on to do a really quick intro for this makeup look today because I'm feeling myself and I wasn't even in the mood to really film, or I didn't know what I wanted to film with this palette because I tried it out a few times already and I just was disappointed in all of the looks, especially my cut crease skills. But I feel like your girl came through today and she showed up and showed out with this look. I'm so excited about it. Can you guys tell? Can you tell like a little bit? What I ended up using was the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. They sent this to me maybe 2 months ago, a month ago, so it's been out for a minute. So I've been playing around with this palette a little bit, took a few photos and was trying to decide what type of makeup look I wanted to do with this palette, and I just wasn't loving them. I was really like steering towards kind of my safe route with doing the bronzy gold type of looks, and I just wanted to step outside of the box and do something different, and I feel like your girl nailed it with this one. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. I need to calm myself down. Anyway, if you are not a subscriber, go ahead, click that subscribe button. I promise I don't act like this all the time. I promise I'm normally cool, calm, and collected, but when you like master something, you get hype, and that's how I feel today. So anyway, click that subscribe button. For those of you guys who have been here supporting me, thanks so much for the support. I hope you continue to do so. So if you guys are ready to see how your girl achieved this look using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, then stay tuned.